This video has three parts. Um, how to print just the report, how to join the table for this one, students and course, and the third one is how to add photos in just the report from database. So let's create um, code to how to print the report. So go to design. So here in this print, let's add events here, action performed here. So let's copy the statement here in the show report. Copy this one, then this one. Double click. Then let's paste the statements. Then let's delete this one. Delete this viewer. This one. The next is let's add uh, Jasper Jasper print this one. Then let's no Jasper print. This is not. It's the same. So this is Jasper print manager. Then let's print um, print page. Let's print the report. And there's a boolean here. Um, this one just for print this one just for print. Then let's put here if it is auto print, then let's put true. So this is that means that when you click this button, it is auto print to um, default printer. So let's try. So let's run this project. Run. If it is not, if it is the parameter is if it is false, then it will save you. It will give you choice how to save the report. So first is student list. Then let's try to click this one. Then there's a window for the default printer. Click. I don't have printer. So if you want to print this one, then okay. It will save to print to PDF. So okay. So for example, this Aldrin. Yes. Let's see in the desktop here. So this is this is Saturday 23. So this is the file from Jasper report. So next is let's um add query to the uh, database. So first is open your Jasper report. Then here let's add join. Let's join the table course. So here let's put here um, join. It is uppercase. Then um, this is we have a column here in our entity. Let's see. Our column here is course. So let's call the column course. Then let's put alias for this column, for this table as C, means that is course. Then here, let's add, um, here course, no, course. Then let's put here, this is object, this because this is class. So let's put object. Okay. So let's see if it is okay. Okay. So let's try to compile. Then this one. Okay. Okay. This is compiled. So let's copy this file. Then paste to reports here. Let's delete this one. Then paste the report. Okay. Then next is let's run the project. Run to see the changes. Because this okay, so let's see. Oh no, if it is running, then it is running. Then let's try the fields. Let's add fields here. This is course, so make let's make it small. Then okay, then let's add course here in the last and the end of column. Okay, so here let's save. Then let's compile. If it is compiled, then let's copy this one. Then again, let's delete this one. Paste. Okay, then let's try to run the project. We can see the course. So this is object, guys. So we need to add toString method. So let's proceed to entity. This one course. So let's delete this toString. Okay, then let's add here public um, void ano string, then to string, then let's return it to course. Okay, then let's try to run again. Okay, so let's try um okay, so we have here course BSCS, then this IT. Let's see here. This is BSCS, then this IT. So next is let's add picture. So let's back to the Jasper report here. So let's adjust this. Okay. Then let's find the image here. image. Okay, this one. Okay, no image. Just create image element. Expression will be modified later. Okay, so this is the picture. The next is let's add because in this is stream. This is a new technology. I don't know what is deeper in the when we stream the data. So here let's add. This is um, my solution. Okay, so add this parameter to create parameter. Then let's put here photo. This is the name of our parameter here. Auto enter. And let's change the object here, which is Java Abstract Window Toolkit. Then let's put image. Okay, not input stream. Okay. Next is after this we need to add code to um, the select here in student DAO implementation. Oh no, in the student list. So here, so we need to add parameter, value for the parameter. This is parameter. So let's add here. Um, let's say which is the loop. This one. So for then let's return it to student. Then is then colon. Then this is student list. Then this one. Then image icon. Then image icon equal new image icon. Then the um this is byte. Okay. So here is that get uh, photo of the student. The next is let's add image because we call the image in the here as our object is the parameter here in a photo we have object here image, so we need to put image here, then equal um, image icon, this one, then get image. The next is parameter here, then let's import the image, this one, then let's put here the name of parameter from Jasper report. So we put here a photo. So we need to map this one photo, then image. So this one. So let's try. Let's review this one image. Okay. So let's try to run this project. Let's compile. Okay, it is compiled. Then this one just per source file copy. Then paste it to the this one. Let's delete this student. Then paste. Then let's try to run the project to see the photo of student. Okay, let's see. Okay, error displaying report page. See the console for details. Okay, let's see. Um, Puto. Okay, we don't have yet copy this one. So it requires because in our view here we don't put this code. So copy this one. Then let's paste here. So let's try again. Let's see. Error displaying report page. See the console for the details. Okay. So let's go back to the this one. So we have here image. Then we don't have yet expression for the image. So let's add expression. So click this button. Then here let's clear the double quote. Then select the parameter because we add parameter here. Double click. Then finish. So then let's compile. Okay, then proceed to my report, then copy this one, then delete. I'm sorry, I have a lot of error. Let's run. Let's see. Okay, we have a photo here. So let's change the photo of this one. For example, let's delete this one. Only the oh, what happened to this one? Let's run. It has no delete. I don't know. Let's okay, let's update this one. Change to double click this one to pictures. Okay, pictures. Then name this one. Save. So for example, let's view the report. So we have here photo. So I hope you learn from this activity. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.